Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I am going to show you how to crochet a double crochet stitch. This is an essential stitch that adds height and texture to your projects. So grab your yarn and hook and let's get started. To demonstrate, I will use a row of single crochet stitches. Now yarn over and insert your hook into the next stitch. Yarn over again and pull through the stitch. You should have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops on your hook. You should have 2 loops left. Yarn over once more and pull through both loops on your hook. You've just made a double crochet stitch. Continue this process across the row. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch. Yarn over again and pull through the 2 first loops. Yarn over and pull through the 2 last loops. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button below for more crochet tutorials and tips.